Welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you here as we dive into some amazing wooden project ideas for your home decor and small business. If you enjoy what you see, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. We have plenty of tips and inspiration lined up, so be sure to stick around until the end of the video. You won't want to miss any of the valuable insights we have to share. Understanding the market. Before embarking on any woodworking project, it's vital to have a clear understanding of the market landscape. Research current trends in home decor, focusing on styles that are gaining popularity, such as rustic, farmhouse, and minimalist designs. Pay attention to materials that consumers prefer, like reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber. Understanding your target audience, whether they are young professionals, families, or eco-conscious consumers, can help tailor your creations to meet their preferences. Engaging with communities on social media platforms can provide valuable insights into what potential customers are looking for, allowing you to adapt your offerings accordingly. Selecting the right wood. The type of wood you choose can significantly impact the quality and appearance of your projects. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut are excellent choices for furniture due to their durability and timeless appeal. They can withstand wear and tear while providing a polished look. On the other hand, softer woods like pine and cedar are often more affordable and easier to work with, making them suitable for beginners. Additionally, consider the aesthetic qualities of different woods, such as grain patterns and color. When selecting wood, also take into account its sourcing. Using reclaimed or locally sourced lumber not only adds character but also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. Basic tools for beginners. Investing in the right tools is essential for any woodworking project, especially for beginners. A basic toolkit should include a circular saw, drill, sander, measuring tape, and clamps. A miter saw can also be invaluable for making precise cuts. While it may be tempting to buy the cheapest options, investing in quality tools will pay off in the long run, resulting in cleaner cuts and a smoother finish. Additionally, having a well-organized workspace will enhance your efficiency and safety. As you gain experience, you can expand your toolkit to include more specialized tools, such as jigsaws and routers, allowing for greater creativity in your projects. Creating a wooden coffee table. A wooden coffee table is a staple piece of furniture that can instantly elevate a living room. Simple designs can be constructed using reclaimed wood, which not only adds a rustic charm but also promotes sustainability. Start with a basic rectangular shape and consider incorporating features like a lower shelf or drawers for added functionality. Finishing techniques, such as staining or painting, can enhance the table's appearance and protect the wood. When marketing your coffee tables, highlight the unique characteristics of the wood used and consider offering customization options, such as size or finish, to cater to individual customer preferences. Building wooden shelves. Shelves are versatile and functional, making them a great project for beginners. They can be designed to fit any space, whether it's a living room, kitchen, or bathroom. Floating shelves, in particular, have become increasingly popular due to their modern aesthetic and the illusion of more space. To create floating shelves, use sturdy brackets and select wood that complements the room's decor. You can experiment with different finishes, such as natural wood, paint, or stain, to achieve the desired look. Offering a variety of sizes and styles can attract different customers, from those looking for minimalist designs to those seeking more decorative options. Crafting a rustic dining table. A rustic dining table is often the centerpiece of family gatherings and can be a profitable project for small businesses. Using reclaimed wood not only adds character but also tells a story, appealing to consumers who value sustainability. Begin by selecting planks with interesting grain patterns and colors. The construction process may involve joining multiple pieces together, so understanding joinery techniques is essential. After assembly, sanding and finishing are crucial for a polished look. Highlighting the craftsmanship and unique attributes of each table can entice buyers looking for one-of-a-kind pieces. Designing wooden benches. Benches are a practical addition to any home, offering extra seating and storage options. They can be used both indoors and outdoors, making them a versatile project. Start with a simple design, such as a rectangular shape, and consider adding features like storage compartments or decorative elements. For outdoor benches, use weather-resistant wood and finishes to ensure durability. Customizing benches with cushions or upholstery can increase their appeal. When marketing these products, emphasize their functionality and comfort, and consider creating variations for different settings, such as garden benches or entryway seating. Making wooden planters. Wooden planters can bring a touch of nature into any space and are particularly popular among gardening enthusiasts. They can be designed in various shapes and sizes, from small herb boxes to large decorative planters. Ensure that the wood used is untreated or properly sealed to withstand moisture. Adding drainage holes is crucial to prevent waterlogging and promote healthy plant growth. Creative designs, such as tiered planters or vertical gardens, can attract more customers. Highlighting the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your planters can help them stand out in a crowded market. Crafting wall art. Wooden wall art is a unique way to incorporate natural elements into home decor. Projects can range from simple wooden signs with motivational quotes to intricate carvings and designs. Consider using a combination of different wood types and finishes to create depth and interest. Personalization options, such as custom engravings or color choices, can attract buyers looking for unique gifts or home accents. When promoting your wall art, focus on the craftsmanship and the story behind each piece, as consumers often appreciate the personal touch that handmade items bring to their homes. Building a bed frame. A well-crafted wooden bed frame is a necessity in every bedroom and can significantly enhance a space's aesthetic. Simple designs can utilize basic joinery techniques, while more elaborate frames can feature headboards and underbed storage. Choose sturdy wood to ensure durability, and consider incorporating a stylish finish to match the bedroom decor. Offering customization options, such as size adjustments and different wood finishes, can appeal to a broader audience. Highlighting the quality and craftsmanship in your marketing efforts will attract potential buyers who value both form and function. Creating wooden storage boxes. Wooden storage boxes are practical and can serve both functional and decorative purposes. They can be designed for various uses, such as toy boxes, blanket storage, or decorative accents. Simple box designs can be enhanced with features like lids, handles, or personalized engravings. Consider using a mix of wood types to create visually appealing contrasts and explore different finishes to match various decor styles. Marketing these storage solutions as both functional and aesthetically pleasing will resonate with customers looking for organization and charm in their homes. Designing a wooden desk. With the increase in remote work, a well-designed wooden desk is becoming a sought-after item. Simple desks can be made with minimal materials, while more elaborate designs can include multiple drawers, cable management systems, and ergonomic features. Start with a sturdy base and incorporate elements that promote a comfortable working environment. Customization options, such as size and finish, can help cater to individual preferences. Emphasizing the desk's functionality and the quality of craftsmanship in your marketing will attract customers looking to enhance their home office setup. Building a wooden rocking chair. A classic wooden rocking chair can provide both comfort and nostalgia, making it a cherished piece in any home. While this project may require more advanced skills, the satisfaction of creating a comfortable rocking chair can lead to high demand. Consider using hardwood for durability and incorporating ergonomic designs for comfort. Finishing touches, such as cushions or unique carvings, can enhance the chair's appeal. Highlighting the chair's craftsmanship and timeless design in your marketing efforts can attract customers looking for heirloom-quality furniture. Crafting wooden toys. Wooden toys have a timeless charm and are increasingly sought after by parents looking for safe, eco-friendly options for their children. Simple designs can include building blocks, puzzles, or dolls. Safety is paramount, so ensure that all edges are smooth and use non-toxic finishes. These projects allow for creativity in design and function, making it possible to create unique and engaging toys. Marketing wooden toys as sustainable alternatives to plastic options can resonate with eco-conscious parents and set your products apart in the market. Making wooden coasters. Wooden coasters are easy to produce and can be customized to suit various tastes. They make great gifts and can be sold in sets, making them an excellent addition to any small business lineup. Simple round or square designs can be enhanced with engravings, stains, or paints to create unique patterns. Consider using different wood types to provide a variety of options for customers. When marketing your coasters, emphasize their durability and the opportunity for personalization, as consumers often seek unique items for their homes. Building a wooden ladder shelf. Ladder shelves are trendy and provide a stylish way to display items while saving space. They are relatively easy to construct and can be customized in size and finish to suit different decor styles. Begin with a simple A-frame design, selecting wood that complements the room's aesthetic. Consider incorporating various levels for displaying plants, books, or decorative items. Marketing these shelves as both functional and stylish will attract customers looking to enhance their living spaces with modern decor. Crafting a wooden jewelry box. A beautifully crafted wooden jewelry box can be a treasured item, often passed down through generations. Simple designs can be enhanced with compartments for organizing different types of jewelry, locks for security, and decorative finishes for aesthetic appeal. Consider using contrasting wood types for a unique look and incorporating personalization options, such as engravings or custom sizes. When promoting your jewelry boxes, focus on their quality craftsmanship and the sentimental value they can hold for customers. Designing wooden pet furniture. With many people considering pets as part of the family, creating wooden pet furniture can fill a niche market. Items like dog beds, cat trees, and feeding stations can be designed for both functionality and aesthetics. Start with sturdy materials to ensure durability and consider incorporating features like storage for pet supplies. Customization options, such as size adjustments and different finishes, can attract pet owners looking for stylish solutions. Highlighting the comfort and design of your pet furniture in your marketing efforts will resonate with customers looking to enhance their pets' living spaces. Marketing your wooden projects. Once you've crafted your items, effective marketing is crucial to reach potential customers. Utilize social media platforms, local craft fairs, and online marketplaces to showcase your products. High-quality photos are essential. They should capture the details and craftsmanship of your items. Engaging descriptions that tell the story behind each piece can create a personal connection with potential buyers. Building a brand that reflects your values and style is also important. Consider creating a website or blog to share your woodworking journey and connect with your audience. Engaging in woodworking projects not only allows for creative expression, but can also lead to a profitable small business. By focusing on easy furniture ideas that combine functionality and aesthetics, you can cater to a wide audience while enhancing your home decor. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking to turn a profit, the world of woodworking offers endless opportunities. The satisfaction of creating something beautiful and functional can be immensely rewarding, and with the right approach, your wooden projects can become cherished items in homes across the country. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more inspiring projects and content just for you.